So what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to prevent your car from getting stolen, especially if you have that keyless entry and the push start button ignition. Because last year, four of my friends got their car stolen because of this technology. Because the new car technology right now, because of the key fob, it's always sending out RF signals. So every time you're near the car, it's gonna automatically sense you, and when you put your hands on the handle, it's gonna detect that you want to open the door. It's gonna unlock the door for you. Same thing when you sit inside the car and you want to start the car. As long as the key fob is with you, you can press the button and start the car. So how the thieves steal your car is by hijacking the signal that's coming from your house. So what they do, they have this device that hijacks the signal inside your house, and they clone the signal, and they use that signal on their device and use it as a key to open the door and start the car. So that's how they steal your car. So to prevent from getting your car stolen, every time you're not using your car, when you go home, you have to wrap your key with aluminum foil, or you have to use this Faraday bag pouch. So the Faraday pouch is lined with metallic fabric that prevents the RF signal from escaping. So there's no way that the thieves can hijack your signal, because it's not getting detected as long as it's inside the Faraday pouch. So this is the Faraday pouch. You can get them on Amazon for less than $15 for a pack of 2. So when you receive them, just make sure you check them out if they really block the signals from your key, to find out that it's really giving you the protection that you need. And now I'm gonna show you how to check if they're really functioning properly. So to test the Faraday pouch if it's really working properly, first you have to lock the car and try opening the door without the key pouch. I'm gonna lock the car again. And now I'm gonna put the key inside the Faraday pouch. And now I'm gonna try, since the key is in the pouch, I'm gonna try to open. No respond. See? My hand is not activating to open the door. So that means there's no signal escaping from the pouch. So that's how you check if your pouch is working properly. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. So just remember, prevent your car from getting stolen. So please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Now see you in the next one.